Welcome to Walside Classic Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you one of these little MR2 T-bars. It's an early series, a Mark 1, becoming quite rare now, especially in as nice and clean a condition as this. So it's a 1990 car, which is just at the end of the production of the first series of cars. Finished in white, obviously. It's got a fabulous service history, an MOT history going all the way back, a nice history file with the car. It's in very clean condition. The car's running, as you'll probably notice. Just take you around the car, you'll see just how nice it is. It's not a perfect car, but it's very usable, very clean, all the bits are in the right places. It's got mud flaps at the back, the T-bar panels which remove have got the covers behind the seats and the original storage packets. It's in lovely condition. Wheels and tyres are all good. Paintwork's very nice. A couple of little bits on the paintwork which you would pick up on. That's just faded a little bit. It's probably been painted in the past. And the bonnet, you can't see it. There's a little bit of a craze in there, as if something like an egg's been thrown at it at some point. So 75,000 miles, or just under, from new. It's got black leather upholstery, which we'll show you in a few moments. The rear spoiler, the pinstripe all around it. Everything's lovely. Drives well. So inside the car, got this black upholstery, black leather upholstery, which is in great condition. We look up, we'll see the T-top, and also behind the seats there, we'll see behind each of the seats there's a cover for the removable panel. So a 5-speed manual transmission. Around the shuts and everything, it's quite nice. All the door cards are in fabulous condition. No corrosion on the doors there. The mileage there, you'll see 74,900. Just try and just go under the bonnet and the boot for you. If I can do it one-handed, I will. First off in the boot. Very clean, nice around the hinges and surrounds. Again, no corrosion, no heavy corrosion anywhere. And under the front of the car, we've got the tools, spare wheel. Again, nothing very much to worry about there. So there we are, 1990 Toyota MR2 with a T-top. In lovely condition, just getting ready for the season. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit our website, which is walsideclassics.co.uk.